Let's have a quick demo of ICP7. By clicking on this button, we can edit the details of the customer, and by clicking on this button, we can delete the customer details. Let me edit the last name and the customer lifetime, and we can see that the customer details have been updated. And by clicking on this button, the customer will be deleted. As we can see, the customer has been deleted. Let's look into the code of this ICP. Starting with customer edit component HTML. In the HTML page, we have created a form with these elements as the input elements, and on the load of this page, we are calling the get customer method, and in the get customer method, we are fetching the details of the customer and storing it into the customer object. And on the click of the submit button, the page is submitted, and on submit method will be invoked. In the onSubmit method, we are checking whether the input elements are modified or not by checking whether the input element contains the class ngDirty. If the input element contains the class ngDirty, it implies that the input element has been modified, and we are updating the customer object with the latest values of the form. We are doing the same thing for all the input elements, and then we are calling the update customer method in the API service. In the update customer method of the API service, we are calling the put method. And in the put method, we are calling the find by ID and update method, which will update the customer object. And let's check the code of the delete functionality. By clicking on the delete button, the delete customer function will be invoked. And in the delete customer, we are calling the delete customer method of the API. And in the delete customer method, we are calling the delete method. And in the delete method, we are calling the find by ID and remove, which will delete the customer object. And after invoking the delete customer method, we are navigating to the customers page, which will list all the customers. And after the update function, we are navigating to customer details page with the customer ID to display all the details of the customer. This is all about the ICP7.